Happy sunny Sunday from the sea and this nudist beach spot on the sea. I am back after exactly 1 week and will be enjoying the sea today at Björnö Nature Reserve, this beautiful rock formation, and soaking up the sun and swimming in the sea. It is 7th of June 2026. Currently only exactly 10 o'clock. I'm up very early. I have gotten up at 7 in order to take a metro and 2 buses to get to this paradise. It's gonna be sun all day long. However, in the sea, it is exactly the same temperature as 7 days ago, only 14 degrees Celsius. I still managed to swim for half an hour last week, and it's gonna be the same today. The water seems much cleaner today, and maybe I will now shift places around in this nature reserve later in order to find less wind, as I thought there's gonna be lots of wind here, but it doesn't feel like. I need to learn how to read the wind, or the wind at sea is blowing from all the ends, it seems. As last time I was here, there wasn't supposed to be any wind, but it was blowing anyway. So, beach number 54. Yesterday we celebrated the Swedish National Day in Sweden. I was on concert of Felicia and Grönlund. I was a bit late to the concert, 10 minutes, because of the parade. There was a National Day parade, I think, and the way to the Grönlund, which is the amusement park, was a bit closed. So I need to make a detour. There was police everywhere, and I missed her intro song, Black Widow, I think it was, as I didn't hear it later. But I did hear lots of all of her other songs, including My System. So check out those shorts as well. Few more incoming. Yes, I measured the temperature in the sea, 14 degrees, quite cold, but I can't complain, it's the sea. Anyway, I could have went to Gristinge, where the temperature is 19 now, as it is a bit closed surface. Here we are facing open sea. Look at that. Open sea indeed. Yes, so June is in progress and we have wonderful weather, and let's then hit the waters and go in for a swim. This is a spontaneous nudist beach spot here, as it is also marked like that on the Naturistforeningen. And there are many spots like this along the coast, and one main part over there, that's usually people with swimsuits on. And going around, it's also Torpesand Strand, which I might visit later if there is no wind over there. So yes, it's time for Chris to enjoy a longer swim in the sea. With the waves, it's gonna be tricky now to get into the water, but I will do my best, believe me. I don't remember which way I went in last time, because now when the rocks are a bit slippery indeed, but that won't make me back down. Okay, let's try somehow. Look at how clean the water is. The sea is amazing, I love it. The lakes are beautiful and warm, but the sea is something else. It's something special. Woo! I'm almost halfway in up here. It seems to be a bit depth, but there are lots of rocks around. So yeah, Chris is ready for a swim in the sea. So let's then go with the flow. I almost hit my knee in the rocks, but I'm in. Oh my god, it's so amazing. I love it. Look at that. Beautiful. I love the sea. It's the best. So Chris will be enjoying on the sea today. I hope everyone is having an amazing day or night, wherever you are, or whenever you're watching this video. But thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.